Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to understand how 3D sum formula help you to understand multiple sheet data. Now here we have a data which belongs to 2017, and here we have the data which belongs to 2018, and here we have the data which belongs to 2019. And in 2017, the product 1, the January sale is 10 plus 50 plus, that means total 60, again plus 40, so the total 3-year sales is 60. Likely I wanted to calculate what is the total 3 years sale. I just want to get the results in the sheet of 3D sum, but there is a requirement. Ensure that if you want to use the 3D sum formula, ensure that you have the data in same range parameters. So whatever structure, whatever rows, whatever column you have in sheet number 1, that means 20 and 17, the same format should be available in a number of sheets. Then only you can use this 3D sum formula. So very simple. Here the data is starting from in the sheet number 1, that is in B2. So I would like to get the result from here B2 as well, the same cells. So simply start the formula equals to sum open bracket equal to sum open bracket and open the 2017 cell, and here I'm going to select the cell called as the B2. And again hold on shift. That means we are calculating the formula in 3D sum sheet. In that sheet we are accessing the data which belongs to 2017 sheet. In the 2017 sheet we are calculating sum of B2, and also we are going to calculate the sum up to 2019. It means equal to sum sheet 2017 to 2019. Here once again I repeat the formula to make you understand once. Here the data is starting from B2, right? Even in the sheet 2 also same B2, even the sheet 3 also B2, right? So here also you start from B2 equal to sum open bracket, select the first sheet, select the cell that where you like to do the calculation, right? Again hold on shift, press shift, and again select. It is already calculating from where? From 2017. I would like to carry the calculation from till 2019. It means 2017 cell B2 plus 2018 cell B2 plus 2019 B2. It means from 2017 to 2019 all sheets B2 cell. Then here simply close the bracket and press enter, and now the result is what? Now the result is 100. How? We'll just check the answer once again. So here 10 plus 50 60 plus 40, total 100. Now here once the results are appeared, simply just drag them. How many cells? 1 up to 10, and here up to I. That's it, right? So up to 10, up to I, I'm going to just drag down up to 10, again up to I. Yes, we will get all the data. I just drag them down, and here the total sales. And for better and easy understanding, you also simply copy the headers as well. So simply I'm just copy and keep them putting here as paste, and then again also copy the header to understand the data easily. Copy 3D sum, and here the paste. This is the total January sale. At the same time total product sales including 3 years. So very quite simple, but only the thing is, yes, you should have all the data in same parameter range. This is how simple it is. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Keep yourself updated. Subscribe to Vedanta and click bell icon.